So I went out and figured out all the best ways you can connect your wireless headphones or even wired ones to a regular TV. So what I did do is connect my regular TV to an external speaker with red and white AV cables, of course. And then I just connected my regular headphones or Bluetooth headphones to that external speaker. And that's just one way. There's a bunch of ways that you can do it, and here's some of them. So yeah, if you want your audio on your regular TV to your headphones, don't go buying Bluetooth enabled headphones just because it connects with the speaker or something. Just use your regular headphones with the TV first.
Simply plug in the 3.5mm male port to the headphone jack of your TV and it should work just right away. I know, it's like obvious, Vamsy. The only issue most people face would be the cable. This could be fixed by buying a cheap audio extension cable from the supermarket or Amazon. I already have an Audio-Technica M50X which comes with a kick-ass 5mm extension, but in general this shouldn't cost more than $5 and they work flawlessly.
So yeah, that was a quick and easy hack where you connect your headphones to your TV, but this isn't a permanent solution now, is it? If you want something more permanent, just buy headphones. It's got both transmitter and receiver, and it can last as long as you can use it for.
They come in two parts, a transmitter and the wireless headphone. The transmitter connects to your TV via the headphone jack. And these headphones work over radio frequency instead of Bluetooth. So unlike Bluetooth headphones, they offer a decent range and audio quality. Just make sure you stay away from the cheap ones because they aren't really that loud.
But then again, I'm not a huge fan of these because they're quite expensive and run on batteries as well. Also, you can't use any other audio devices with the TV when you're using this. Well, that's not fun at all now, is it? Well yeah, if you've got a Bluetooth headphones just lying around that you didn't think you could connect to your TV, well you can.
Unfortunately though, my smart TV doesn't have a built-in Bluetooth, so I can't connect my headphones with it directly. But there is a way to fix that with an external Bluetooth transmitter. So yeah, like I said, you need a Bluetooth transmitter. You can buy one off of Amazon. I bought one for less than $20. Though, remember, it is a Bluetooth transmitter, not a receiver. That is, it sends out your TV audio in the form of a Bluetooth signal. The way it works is pretty simple. Pair the Bluetooth device with your Bluetooth headphones and then press the button on both devices. There's no interface, so you won't be able to see the name like you do when you pair your smartphone and then it'll automatically connect. Once done, plug in the Bluetooth transmitter to your TV via the headphone jack. You might have to power on them using the USB port on the TV. Mine works with batteries, so it's good to go.
If you've already got a streaming device like say Roku, Amazon Fire TV Stick, Mi Box or even Apple TV, there's no need to buy a separate Bluetooth transmitter because it comes with built-in Bluetooth. You can just connect your Bluetooth headphones to any one of those. But the downside is that you can't listen to live television because it only supports streaming services like Netflix or Amazon Prime Video, others.
For example, on the Fire TV Stick, go to Settings, Controllers and Bluetooth Devices and Other Bluetooth Devices. You'll see your Bluetooth headphones there, so select that and connect to it. If you have an Apple TV, then you'll find the option under Settings, and then Remote and Devices, and then Bluetooth. Thankfully, it works with any kind of Bluetooth headphones and not just AirPods. You can also change the volume from your headset or using a Siri remote. This one is depending on the Roku device that you have. You can either use the private listening through Roku app. To do this, simply download the Roku app on your phone and then connect to the same Wi-Fi network. Now, open the app and then enable private listening. Now your TV audio will route through your phone, which you can either listen through Bluetooth headphones or wired earphones connected to your phone and not your TV. How cool is that? Similarly, gaming consoles like Xbox and PS4 have options too, where you can just plug in your headphones to the controller. But it's not that great.
So yeah, those were some of the best ways you can connect your regular TV with your Bluetooth headphones or just, wired ones. This way you can watch live TV or just television without waking up anyone in the middle of the night. And you can even stream on Twitch. Anywho, now that you can watch your TV at pace, check out SmartDNS Proxy if you're keen to unblock geo-restricted content on sites like Netflix, Hulu, Disney+. We've done a separate video on that, so click on the YouTube cards to watch that. I'm Vamsy, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.